This is our yin and yang double masking kit. It's a double masking kit because there's 2 masks inside this pouch, both of which are going to detoxify your skin with white charcoal and black charcoal. The white charcoal is going to hydrate your skin and clean your skin, all while detoxifying it. It's really like a next level charcoal. I'm using it on my cheeks because I tend to get a little bit more drier in this area. So the beauty of this double masking kit is that I get to use these formulas both at the same time in the areas that I need. And the black charcoal is going to be really great to detoxify and help clear skin and help prevent breakouts. So where I'm applying it is the T-zone because that's where I'm going to get a little bit more oily. I'm going to be a little bit more prone to, problem skin and clogged pores. So I'm just going to use our dual-ended mask tool to apply right there. And I'm going to apply the black charcoal on my chin, because it tends to get a little bit more oily in that area. So I'm going to allow these to work their magic for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse them off and just get on with my day with beautiful clear skin. So I've rinsed off the masks and I love the way my skin feels. It's clean, it's hydrated and detoxified all at the same time, thanks to the yin and yang double masking kit. And if you're somebody who maybe likes a paper mask experience a little bit more, we also have a yin and yang paper mask. Looks like this, and the actual mask is super fun.